Welcome to Own Product Pick, your home for the latest camera reviews, photography tips, and gear recommendations. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Nikon cameras in 2025, from powerful DSLRs to cutting-edge mirrorless models that deliver exceptional image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and pro-level features. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned photographer looking for your next upgrade, Nikon's 2025 lineup has something for every style and budget. Fire will break down each camera's key features, pros and cons, and what makes them worth your money this year. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the best Nikon cameras you can buy right now. Number 5. Nikon Coolpix P950. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts who want incredible zoom capabilities without investing in a bulky DSLR setup. With its jaw-dropping 83x optical zoom, equivalent to 24 to 2000 millimeters, you can capture everything from wide landscapes to distant wildlife with stunning detail. The image stabilization is solid, helping reduce blur even when zoomed all the way in, and the 4K UHD video recording makes it a great option for videographers too. Its bright electronic viewfinder and vari-angle LCD screen add to its versatility, making it a strong choice for travel, birdwatching, and outdoor adventures. However, while the P950 delivers outstanding reach and solid image quality for its class, it's not without trade-offs. At over 2 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight, and the smaller 1/2.3-inch sensor means it won't match the low-light performance or depth of field control of larger cameras. Autofocus can be a bit slow in challenging lighting, but for its price and zoom range, it's hard to beat. Overall, the Coolpix P950 is a fantastic all-in-one camera for those who prioritize extreme telephoto capabilities without needing interchangeable lenses. Number 4. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 is a hybrid powerhouse that bridges the gap between DSLR reliability and mirrorless innovation. It features a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor paired with the XP6 processor, delivering excellent image quality, vibrant colors, and impressive low-light performance with an ISO range up to 51,200. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-moving subjects, the 51-point phase detection autofocus in viewfinder mode and the 273-point on-sensor hybrid AF and live view make focusing fast and precise. Plus, the D780 inherits many features from Nikon's mirrorless Z series, giving you speedy performance without losing the traditional DSLR feel. When it comes to video, the D780 is no slouch, offering 4K UHD recording at up to 30 frames per second with full pixel readout for maximum sharpness, as well as slow-motion Full HD up to 120 frames per second. The tilting touchscreen, dual UHS-2 SD card slots, and long-lasting battery life make it a versatile choice for both photographers and videographers. In short, the D780 is a solid investment for those who want the best of both DSLR durability and modern mirrorless features, making it a truly future-proof camera for a wide range of shooting styles. Number 3. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is a compact mirrorless camera designed with vloggers and content creators in mind, and it truly shines in this role. Its 20.9 MP APS-C sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images, while the 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second ensures your footage looks professional and detailed. The fully articulating LCD touchscreen makes framing shots a breeze, especially for self-recording, and the lightweight build means you can comfortably carry it around all day. Nikon has also included excellent autofocus with eye and face tracking, which keeps your subject sharp even when you're moving. One of the best things about the Z30 is how user-friendly it is. The menu system is intuitive, and the customizable buttons give you quick access to your most used settings. For creators, features like the built-in stereo microphone and external mic input help deliver clear audio, while the USB-C charging means you can power it on the go. While it lacks in-body image stabilization, pairing it with a stabilized lens solves that issue for most situations. Overall, the Nikon Z30 offers a great balance of portability, image quality, and creator-focused features at a competitive price, making it a solid choice for anyone starting or upgrading their content creation setup. Number 2. Nikon Z7 II. The Nikon Z7 II is a powerhouse for professional photographers who demand stunning image quality and high performance. Featuring a 45.7 MP full-frame BSI sensor, this camera delivers incredible detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy, making it perfect for landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The dual XP6 processors ensure faster image processing, improved autofocus, and better overall responsiveness compared to its predecessor. The addition of dual card slots, CF Express/XQD and SD, finally addresses a major criticism of the original Z7, giving photographers more flexibility and peace of mind during important shoots. In terms of performance, the Z7 II offers impressive 4K video recording up to 60p, excellent low-light capabilities, and a robust weather-sealed body for outdoor shooting. Its 493-point hybrid autofocus system is fast, accurate, and reliable, even in challenging lighting. Battery life is also improved, and the comfortable grip makes extended shooting sessions a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiast ready to step up, the Nikon Z7 II is a top-tier mirrorless camera that blends high resolution with versatility, making it a worthy investment for serious creators. Number 1. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is a remarkable step forward in Nikon's mirrorless lineup, blending speed, low-light performance, and advanced video capabilities into a compact, durable body. Featuring a new partially stacked 24.5 MP sensor, it delivers faster readout speeds, improved autofocus tracking, and stunning image quality in almost any lighting condition. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization ensures crisp shots even at slower shutter speeds, while the 273-point AF system locks onto subjects with impressive accuracy. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or fast-moving action, the Z6 III delivers both reliability and versatility. For videographers, the Nikon Z6 III truly shines with internal 6K RAW recording, 4K oversampled video up to 60 frames per second, and a range of professional features like waveform monitoring and N-Log support. The bright, high-resolution EVF and fully articulating touchscreen make shooting a breeze from any angle. Its weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is built for the field, ensuring you can work confidently in challenging environments. Overall, the Nikon Z6 III offers an excellent balance of performance, portability, and creative flexibility, making it a fantastic choice for both passionate enthusiasts and professional creators. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.